Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Before I start, I'm sorry because my camera is having problem. That's why I'm not turn on the camera. And this time, our group will explain about issues of racism and discrimination in society. Before that, let me introduce the name of our group member. I am Ahmad Rizky Nur Permati.
I'm Zainal Akbar.
And I am Anissa Tunakluna.
I'm Listiana Hamid.
I'm Lucy Senga Putri.
Okay, next slide. This presentation will explain several points, including the first is introduction, history of racism, type of discrimination, impact of racism and discrimination, causes of racism, and combating racism. Next. The first is introduction. Definition of racism. Racism is an attitude, belief, or discriminatory action against individual or group based on their race or ethnicity. Background. Racism has existed for centuries and remain a relevant issue worldwide. Presentation objective. The aim of this presentation is to enhance understanding of the issues of racism and discrimination in society. And the next slide will be explained by Akbar.
History of racism. For the first, racism in the colonial era. During the colonial period, many Europe countries such as Britain, Spain, and the Netherlands, territories around the world. During the period, racial oppression occurred involving discriminatory treatment and exploitation of specific racial groups. This included the African slave trade, in which millions of Africans were brought to the Americas and enslaved. Racism in this form laid the foundation for a highly unjust social hierarchy. Second, World War II and the Holocaust. During World War II, the Nazi government in Germany implemented extreme policies against Jewish people. Known as the Holocaust, this is an extreme example of racism. The third, civil rights government. The civil rights movement was a social movement primarily occurring in the United States in the 1950 and 1960. It focused on obtaining civil rights equally and the elimination of racial discrimination against black people. Okay, next. Next will be explained by Luna.
There are three types of discrimination: racial, gender, and religious. The first is racial discrimination. Racial discrimination is discrimination based on skin color or ethnic origin, for example, like black people. The second is gender discrimination. This discrimination unfair treatment based on gender, for example, like patriarchy. And the last is religious discrimination. Discrimination based on religious beliefs. Okay, then the next slide will be explained by Uli.
Okay, next, impact of racism and discrimination. There are some impacts, or I can say some bad effects of racism and discrimination. One of the biggest impacts of racism is psychological impact, such as stress, depression, and low self-esteem. I think everyone knows about these bad effects of racism because we have often seen or heard things like this before. And then racism and discrimination also has social impact, that is community division and inequality. Racism and discrimination tend to make someone dislike socializing and even be traumatized by socializing and cause division and inequality in society. The last, economic impact of racism and discrimination. Discrimination also has an impact on the economy because they get bad labels from these races. Okay, next slide will be explained by Kirsty.
Okay, thank you. I will explain cause of racism. The first, cultural factors, stereotypes and biases ingrained by culture. Racism can be deeply ingrained within a culture due to historical events, tradition, and norms. These cultural factors can perpetuate stereotypes and biases about certain racial or ethnic groups. For example, if a culture has a history of discriminatory practices or prejudice beliefs, these attitudes may continue to influence individuals within that culture. The second, education factors, the importance of education in changing perception and attitudes. Education plays a significant role in shaping people's perception and attitudes toward race. It can either reinforce racial biases or help challenge them. The third, media factor, the role of media in influencing racial perception. The media, including television, film, news, and social media, can shape public perception and attitudes toward race. The next will explain by Yulistiana.
Okay, thank you. Next, combating racism. There are some combating racism. The first is education and awareness. Is supporting anti-racism education, and the second is anti-racism policies, advocating policy change to prevent discrimination. The last is supporting the diversity, promoting inclusion and diversity in workplaces and communities. Okay, next will explain by Akluna.
Okay, thank you. And there are some anti-racist organization, for example, like Black Lives Matter, were established on 13th of July 2013. It is an international activist movement originating in the African American community that campaigns against violence and systemic racism toward Black people. And the second one is Anti-Defamation League, as known as ADL. ADL is the leading anti-hate organization in the world and founded in 1913. Thank you.
The next slide, I will explain about conclusion. In conclusion, racism and discrimination remain deeply ingrained issues in our society with far-reaching consequences on individuals and communities. Together, we can build a future where every individual is treated with respect and equality, regardless of their race, ethnicity, gender, or beliefs. It is our collective responsibility to raise awareness, educate ourselves, and actively work towards a more inclusive and equitable society.
And that's all the explanation from our group. For more or less, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.